woke up about half an hour ago. We should have set off by now if we were going anywhere, but I don't think we'll get anywhere because it's pretty much pissing it down again. Yeah. I don't really know what we're doing then today, so I'll vlog it later if we do.
I hope he's alright.
Hopefully she doesn't come off alive. Think I have a right to vlog this month though? Why not?
You're not vlogging yourself, are you?
I'm vlogging, no look, I'm vlogging, see? I'm vlogging. In the pissing rain. It's on your phone. My feet are fucking soaked. That way, isn't it? No, this way. Vlogging, man. Totally vlogging. Typical British without having enough. Wash out at Flamingo land. Lovely jubbly. Completely fucking soaked. Let's fucking go. So bad, man.
Oh, it's a bit warmer in here. I was getting a bit cold.
Oh, fucking it's calm now.
It's warmed up in here, isn't it? Oh. Okay.
This is what we were like that night I went to the
car and you have to go
In the car on the way home, so completely fucking soaked.
It moves you up, man.
I'm from fucking crisps and starving at my dinner stick half past 9. No. Hey, welcome to the summary part of today's vlog. In this obviously in this bit of the vlog I sort of summarise what's gone on, what's happened today. Today, as you know, we went to a theme park in the north of England, North Yorkshire, called Flamingo Land. I think it has flamingos, I don't really know, but it has wildlife and it's just a theme park. There's all sort of theme park rides like roller coasters, amusements, just typical sort of things. If anyone's ever been there, you'll know. Basically, we got there, we set off quite late really, we set off about 12:30, got there for 1:30. We should have set off 3-4 hours early really, but we didn't, because we're stupid. So we set off a bit later, got there, and my dad and my sister started going on the rides. Me and my mum didn't bother because we didn't really want to. We just sort of stood around and watched people, watched some of the disgraces of society, as I call them. Some of the sights were quite interesting. So me and Mum just sat and watched people watching. My dad and my sister went on the rides. They went on one of the main rides, and then they went on one of the big roller coasters. But after they'd been on one of them, it started absolutely pissing it down with rain. So we thought, oh, we'll just take shelter underneath this archway, but it just continued to rain and rain and rain and rain. So we thought we'd try and make a mad dash to the car. But it was just torrential downpour, and we got absolutely soaked. Our clothes were wet through, our shoes were full of water, so it wasn't a very pleasant thing, as you've probably seen the clips before that I recorded. It was just absolutely atrocious, so we made a dash to the car, so we were only there for 2-3 hours. This is a bit disappointing really, so we spent 90 quid on 4 of us to get in, and we didn't really spend any time at all there. And that was pretty much what we did. Just one that'll come. Well, so I'll say overall today the day wasn't very good, but one thing that really pissed me off there, even though I wasn't queuing in the lines, was they sell something. I assume they sell it within the place called a queue buster, where you buy a ticket and you can jump all the queues, which I think is pretty stupid. Because if everybody was to buy a queue buster ticket, and the people who are waiting in the normal queue, the people who are waiting in the normal queue wouldn't actually get in, because the people who have a queue buster just jump all the queues, which is a bit stupid really. That's my opinion on it. But other than that, the day wasn't too good. Like I said, we got completely soaked, and then we got home. Our shoes were just full of water. So yeah, tomorrow I've got a cricket match. I don't think it'll be on if it continues to rain like it is doing. Probably won't be on. So other than that, thanks for watching. I'll try and get some clips tomorrow. I keep saying that for the cricket match, and I keep forgetting, but I will try and get some. It's not something that comes straight into my head. But other than that, thanks for watching. Follow me on Twitter. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow.